Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A timeless mix. Classic French house meets Chinoiserie charm. You know that feeling when you mix two elegant, timeless things and they just sing together? That's the magic we're playing with here. Imagine the serene, balanced bones of a classic French country house. Think warm cream stone and soft, sloping roof lines. Now, picture it gently layered with the delicate, poetic whimsy of a chinoiserie wallpaper. Our specific motif is a flowering branch in the softest, most natural palette, blush and ochre blooms on taupe stems, with sage leaves and little winged accents. It's not about bold drama, but a whispered romantic story. This combination creates a home that feels both grounded and dreamy, lived in and lyrical. Let's walk through this imagined house together, room by room, and see how this theme comes to life. The house itself is a vision in warm cream stone, with shutters painted in that gentle sage green. Climbing roses in a perfect blush pink scramble up near the entry, echoing the wallpaper to come. The garden feels loose and romantic, with plantings of soft ochre rudbeckia and lavender blending into the structure. It's as if the wallpaper motif decided to step outside for some sun, blurring the line between the curated interior and the natural world. Stepping inside, the theme is introduced softly. The flowering branch wallpaper is here. Its taupe gray stems feeling graphic but quiet against the creamy background. A simple console table in a bleached oak finish holds a bowl of fresh blush peonies. Underfoot, a vintage runner in taupe and sage grounds the space, offering a warm, textured welcome that hints at the comfort to come in the rooms ahead. In here, the wallpaper might accent just one calming chimney breast, letting the other walls breathe in warm cream paint. Slip-covered sofas in linen and velvet carry the soft ochre and blush tones from the blooms. Wicker accents and a time-worn oak coffee table keep it casual, while sage green velvet pillows pull in the leaf color. It's a room designed for relaxed afternoons, where your eye might catch a delicate butterfly on the wall as you curl up with a book. This is the dreamy sanctuary. The wallpaper envelopes the room, creating a soft, canopy-like effect that's incredibly soothing. The bed linens are pure, crisp white and creamy linen, letting the blush pinks and ochres on the walls be the star. A taupe gray upholstered headboard and a sage green throw at the foot of the bed tie the palette together simply. The overall feeling is soft, peaceful and effortlessly romantic, a perfect retreat. Here, the Chinoiserie motif brings a sense of gentle ceremony. Imagine it covering the walls, with those tiny birds and butterflies adding a playful note during long dinners. The table is a substantial farmhouse oak, surrounded by caneback chairs painted in a soft, weathered sage. Overhead, a simple iron chandelier holds creamy taper candles, and your best ochre-toned stoneware looks right at home on the table setting. We keep it light and airy here. Perhaps just a backsplash tile hints at the branch motif, or open shoelacing displays plates with similar colors. Creamy cabinetry with classic brass hardware feels timeless, while open shelves hold sage green bowls and blush pink glassware. A rustic wood island topped with cream stone provides a sturdy work surface. It's a functional, sun-filled space where the decorative theme is subtly suggested, not shouted. For a touch of vintage-inspired luxury, the wallpaper might line a clawfoot tub's alcove or a single-feature wall. Warm cream penny tiles on the floor and a taupe gray vanity with a marble top feel solid and classic. Fluffy white towels and a single piece of art with soft ochre tones complete the look. It's a space that feels clean and fresh, with just that right bit of floral fantasy to make your morning routine feel a little more special.